Timbersurf here with an announcement about the Great Electric Train Show, or GETS as we know it, on October the 11th and 12th in Milton Keynes. If you're going to the show, I'd just like to announce a YouTubers meet and greet at 11:30 in the middle of balcony 2, that's the uppermost floor. There will be YouTubers, small and large, that you'll probably recognise, including Charlie from Partick Hill, who's coming specially over from Canada, and a host of others. Last year we had over 50 YouTubers across the 2 days, and I don't think it'll be anything different this year. I've got at least 20 that I know of or have confirmed are coming. So if you want to see your small screen heroes, pop along and say hi, and I will see you there. Until then, it's me, Timbersurf, saying ciao for now.